Hey everyone, welcome back to Gitter Official. Now imagine this for a second. Your system already has the latest Windows 11 25H2 features installed, sitting quietly in the background, but they're locked, hidden, and not yet activated by Microsoft for your device. Sounds surprising, right? But that's exactly what's happening right now, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock those hidden features and upgrade your system from Windows 11 24H2 to 25H2 in just a few minutes, without reinstalling Windows, without losing your data, and without waiting for the official rollout. And here's the interesting part. This method works even if the update is not showing up on your PC yet. So make sure you watch till the end, because one small step missed can stop the upgrade completely. Before we begin, if you're new here, this is Gitter Official, where I bring you practical tech tutorials, hidden tricks, and real solutions that actually work. So if that sounds useful to you, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's jump straight into the process. The first thing you need to do is confirm that your system is currently running Windows 11 version 24H2, because this method only works if you're already on that version. To check this, simply go to the Start menu, type About, and open it. Then scroll down to the Windows Specifications section and look at your version. If it says 24H2, you're ready to move forward. If not, you'll first need to update your system to 24H2 before attempting this upgrade. Also, it doesn't matter whether you're using Windows 11 Home, Pro, or Enterprise. This method works across all editions, which makes it even more useful. Now moving on, the next step is to check whether your system has already been offered the 25H2 update by Microsoft. Go to Windows Update from your settings and click on Check for Updates. In some cases, you might actually see an option that says Windows 11 version 25H2 is available, and if that happens, you don't need to follow the manual method at all. You can simply click Download and Install, restart your system, and you're done. But here's where things get interesting. Most users won't see this option yet, because Microsoft rolls out updates gradually based on device compatibility and other factors. So if your system says it's up to date but still doesn't show 25H2, don't worry, because now we're going to use a smarter method to force the upgrade. So here's the secret. Windows 11 feature updates like 25H2 are often already present inside your system as part of previous cumulative updates. Microsoft just keeps them disabled until they're ready to roll them out. And what we're going to do is use something called an Enablement Package to activate those features manually. This package is extremely small in size because it doesn't install new files. It simply unlocks what's already there. I've provided the download links in the description below, and you'll see two versions. One for x64 systems, which includes most Intel and AMD PCs, and another for ARM-based systems. If you're unsure which one to download, just go back to the About section and check your system type. If it says x64-based processor, go with the x64 version. Once you download the file, you'll notice something surprising. It's just a few kilobytes in size. That's because, again, it's only activating hidden features rather than installing a full update. Before you run the file, I strongly recommend closing all applications and making sure no background tasks are interfering, just to ensure a smooth process. Now double-click the file, and you'll see a prompt asking if you want to install the update. Click Yes, and within seconds, the installation will complete. After that, you'll be asked to restart your system, and this part is important. Go ahead and restart immediately. As your system reboots, you'll see the message, Updates are underway. Please keep your computer on. This is completely normal, and since the update is small, it won't take much time. Once your system boots back up, log in as usual, and now comes the moment of truth. Go back to the Start menu, type About, and check your Windows version again. If everything worked correctly, you should now see Windows 11 version 25H2. And just like that, you've successfully upgraded your system without waiting for Microsoft's rollout. But we're not completely done yet. There's one final step that most people ignore, and it's actually very important. After upgrading, go back to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates one more time. This will download any additional patches, security fixes, or stability updates specifically designed for 25H2, ensuring your system runs smoothly without bugs or issues. Skipping this step can sometimes lead to minor glitches, so don't ignore it. So yeah, that's the complete method to upgrade from Windows 11 24H2 to 25H2 quickly and safely. No complicated tools, no risky methods. Just a simple trick that unlocks what your system already has. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with someone who might need it, and drop a comment below telling me which version you're currently running. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Gitter Official for more powerful tech tutorials, hidden tricks, and updates that actually matter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.